Alright guys, what's up? Today we are at the shop. We got Matt here.
Hi.
So we're going to be doing some work on the Sentra. Matt just got these brand new set of brakes from TDMi. These things are crazy. I'm not going to lie, they're like multi-piece rotors with like some fat calipers. Look at that. Little sneak peek. Those are sick. So we're going to be putting those on the Sentra today. You stoked for it?
I mean, yeah, but like, I'm nervous. I don't know why.
Why are you nervous?
Shit's not gonna fit, or I'm gonna fuck something up.
Like, I do this for a living, but then I'm working on my own car. I'm like, what's gonna go wrong? Shop's not gonna pay for it. Look at this puny little
Look,
thing.
you're already done.
I'm already done. Show, I'm already there. I'm already there.
This is so ghetto.
What are we doing, Matt?
I've just gotta make these flat as possible. And I mean, like, ordinarily, this is cringe for me, but I don't know really like what else to do. I mean, I know what else to do, but I'm not gonna. I don't got fucking time for that shit.
Look at some custom carbon ones made here.
Oh yeah.
With brake ducts and you know all the good stuff.
It's gonna be great. Not gonna be expensive at all.
Matt disassembled the brakes. We're all the way down to hub. What are we gonna try to do next, Matt?
Well, we're gonna try, and when I say try, emphasize on the try part. These guys are my spacers that I got to clear so the wheels clear the calipers, and I have to take the grinder and clean up the hub because these are machined, you know, to the hub, and well, you can see. I mean, it's not gonna go on all the way because the rotor's not on there.
Yeah.
But like, it's a very tight fit.
Yeah, we just got a little layer of rust and paint and all that kind of stuff. We're gonna try to get off with that wire brush. After that, those should be good to go on, and then we could pretty much start assembling the brakes, right?
Yeah, I mean, I don't see why not. I'm gonna bleed them. That's the part I'm looking forward to the least.
How does it fit?
Better.
Yeah.
So let's see. When I say see, that's also loosely defined because I can't really see well through these safety glasses.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, look.
That's all the way down.
Now, let's just see how the wheel fits on it. Because I've always been just like lug-centric.
Yeah.
Because I've never gotten like the... Oh yeah, well, we're still going to be like that. But I'd like to find the fitment rings.
Yeah.
But I'm bad at math.
It's not math. What do you mean?
It's totally math.
There's not any. You know what that one is?
59.1.
What's that one?
I don't know. That's what I'm saying.
Oh my God, we got some calipers. We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
That's not even math. You just take two measurements.
I don't like measuring. I don't like math. I like numbers in relation to my bank account. Other than that, count me out.
You pretentious fuck.
I'm not here for it.
I mean, I'm with it. I get it.
This is less dollars in my bank account.
You say this is less dollars in your bank account. Just wait until you get into this. Because that's
why I'm into this.
That's why my bank account is literally non-existent, is because of this stupid fucking thing over here. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God, dude.
Bleeders up, kids. You whore. Get on there.
Oh my God, dude. There is no reason you need brakes that big. That's ridiculous.
This stupid little shit box has brakes that are worth more than the car was when I bought them. That's hot.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love everything about it.
Yeah.
This is sick. And two-piece rotors too.
Yeah, I could have cheaped out and got the one piece, but nah.
Of course not.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Dude, Matt got two-piece rotors before I got two-piece rotors. I swear, next brake upgrade is gonna be ISF. ISF front and rear, because I want the 6-piston front and 4-piston rears. Those things are sick, but they're expensive. So, not until I'm making power. We'll see.
Yeah, I need to get that turbo.
I agree. Did you break my ratchet?
Dude, it just like
What did
fell apart.
you do?
I'm like, what's that falling down?
Man,
Oh, that's weird.
you let this man come over for one day, use your fucking tools, and he breaks my fucking
Yeah.
ratchet.
Oh, I didn't even have Loctite. Look at this shit, dude. I don't fucking know what the fuck's going on here. It was already loose.
It was not loose.
Should have needed that cordless ratchet. This wouldn't have happened.
It was absolutely not. It was fine.
Clearly wasn't. Shit fell apart.
hearing noises and all of a sudden the handle comes. I'm like, what's just the
Yeah,
handle?
you're over here breaking my shit, dude. Out of the kindness of my heart, I let you come over here and fucking... I can't believe you.
You got Loctite?
No, I don't have Loctite.
How am I supposed to fix your shit? I'm gonna temporarily fix it. It's gonna break again. It's not gonna be my fault.
I think that... You know what I think this means is that you owe me a Snap-on one.
I only own one Snap-on one.
I'm pretty sure you owe me a Snap-on one now.
I'm a cheap ass. I ain't buying you a Snap-on shit.
What do you guys think? Does he owe me a Snap? I think he owes me a Snap-on one. Come on, dude.
No.
I'd say you're definitely not pushing P at that point.
You're gonna have to enlighten me on that. On that.
I'm not going to.
Damn it! Why not? I might have to Google that shit.
Because you should know pushing P by now.
I don't though.
I'm just kidding. It's on the cutting edge. I live on the cutting edge of meme culture. I don't know if you guys know, but yeah, it's a disease. I don't know what to say.
I don't live on the cutting edge of meme culture.
Yeah, you're still on like the early 2000s.
Dude,
memes.
sign me up, dude. I miss it so much.
you got like the troll face memes and the fucking bad luck Brian memes over here.
They're so good. The classics are the. Oh.
There's so many better ones. Oh my god. Oh my god.
The new shit's just complicated.
I got one to show you. It's absolutely not. It's the opposite. The new shit is so simple.
Also.
What?
Why?
What?
Why?
What?
It's like Euros and lug bolts.
What?
Why? Off, on.
It's a cheap ratchet. I don't know what to tell you.
I don't get it.
It's so good, dude.
But I don't understand it. So how can it be good?
That's the pinnacle of comedy nowadays, dude. That is the funniest picture I've ever. This is a certified hash brown moment. Come on. Come on.
I don't understand.
That's so good. That is a certified hash brown moment for sure.
This is too much. The anticipation is too much right now.
Gotta put a wheel on.
I gotta make sure that the wheel can go on, or like this whole thing's been for naught. Well, they even used the same black paint. Look at that.
And I love, you know the attention to detail that I love. Oh my god, did you just hit
no.
Oh no, you didn't. Matt.
What a dumb fuck, dude. I don't know how I'm gonna fix that.
It was the gloves, dude. I'm telling you, it was the gloves.
Oh my god, back to the gloves. I mean, I'd rather blame it on the gloves, to be honest.
You're never gonna see that. Oh my god.
Well, you might see it. That's the problem. Look.
No, absolutely not.
But they spin, and they clear.
Spin.
Look at that.
You're gonna need some different fucking lug nuts for that, or fucking
I came
extended
prepared.
studs.
I came prepared. Look. I can get them in black, but.
Oh fuck yeah, nice.
So we're good to go.
Perfect. I was gonna say those do not.
No, we ain't driving it like that.
There's no NP to that at all.
No. Do I flake it off? Do you have some super glue?
You can flake it off and super glue it.
Do you have super glue here?
Matt, you're asking for so much shit. I don't know. I do not have super glue. I have yellow paint marker. Come on, it's the same color. Look. It's the same color. You'll never know. Okay.
I'm struggling to cope with this. You know me. My coping abilities, not world renowned. Right.
You shouldn't have fucked it up. That's dope.
I mean, this should be enough to flex with the, and it.
Yeah.
Gotta tighten that up. But okay, if that's an 11, that's gonna be my first complaint about this.
Better be a 10.
Oh, it's not a 10.
It's not a 10?
Not a 10.
12.
12, thank God.
Thank God. That is always the worst though, is having like stupid sizes. Like I only ever want to use 10s, 8s, 12s, 14s, 17s, and 19s on my car. Like 21s, 22s maybe, 24s. But anything else, go fuck yourself. You know, one of my biggest pet peeves is dress-up bolts. Like people buy like engine dress-up bolts. Have you seen those things, Matt?
Oh yeah.
Dude, they buy like hex for everything. And I'm like, why would you do that? Just leave regular, like get nice actual bolts, but like not Allen key bolt. Like it makes it so much harder to work on it that it's like, what's the point?
And the worst part is like all these dress-up bolts, the people that do this,
they get all these fucking odd bolts that like you can't like grab them and twist them out, and they don't have power tools, so they're sitting there with their fucking
It just makes working on your car take like 10 times longer, and it's the stupidest shit. I hate dress-up bolts. If I'm being honest, I hate it. Like, I would get a nice polished bolt, or like even a zinc-plated stock bolt is so much better than any of those dress-up.
Nice.
Yeah, it's sick. I want to be able to take everything off of my car with like a simple just.
Well, see, working on Toyotas, we can do that.
Exactly.
You go to some dumb domestic. Sorry if I'm offending anybody that likes the
Oh, fuck domestics.
I think on this
They're
channel
not welcome on this channel.
A safe, safe criticism.
If you like domestics, you're welcome here. But you have bad taste, that's all I'm saying. We can work on it, though. We can work on it.
You know what the best part about that is? It's like, kind of wouldn't mind a Mustang. Sell it. Hey, anybody want to buy it? I can't get over that.
You're not going to see it.
I know it's there.
Yes, but you're not going to see it. Just forget about it.
I might.
Mine have a little fucking imperfection that I know about, and it fucking irks me to this day.
Oh, hold on. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, I found it.
Oh, fuck you, dude. You're a dickhead. Everybody always points to the fucking door.
Little imperfection. So what were we talking about?
Nothing. Now I'm not going to fucking tell you because you're an asshole. Now, what are we not going to do on this side, Matt?
We're not going to fuck the calipers up.
We're not going to fuck the calipers up. Satisfactory, for sure.
That's ridiculous. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan.
That's some shit.
Yeah.
That's some shit for sure.
That's what I envisioned this whole time. I'm glad that you made me come to my senses and get yellow.
Yeah, dude, it goes perfect with the red.
Well, I didn't want to wait.
The shop lights, you can't even tell how nice the yellow is. Because, like, in the sun, it's going to be a fucking nice yellow. Look at that yellow. Pumping her on up there, buddy. Holding. Man, this shit sucks. My leg's tired as fuck. I think it's good. Definitely gets nice and hard.
Dude, that yellow really fucking jumps
It
out.
pops, dude. I think pops. Now you need matching rears. Those are sweet rims. Those 5 Ziggins.
Knockoffs.
Wait, you're telling me you're rocking fake wheels in this bitch?
Yep. I'm too cheap to buy real wheels.
Dude.
If you ask me, and this is going to be a controversial opinion, real wheels are a ripoff.
A rip-off?
Yep.
Really?
Are we driving a race car? No. Then fuck it.
Let me get this straight. You are driving a turboed SR20 with 2-piece rotors, 6-piston calipers,
Keep going. Yeah.
and you're telling me it's not a race car?
It's not a race car.
With coilovers? You've got suspension modifications.
As we discussed earlier, there's some issues to be worked out.
There's some issues to be worked out, yes, but the basics are there. You're telling me this isn't a race car?
This isn't a race car.
You have A-pillar gauges. You have fucking A-pillar gauges.
That's more race car than race car. I just have an affinity for A-pillar, dual A-pillar. I don't know what it is.
You have a boost gauge on your A-pillar. If that doesn't scream race car, come on.
Just telling you how it is. My NX is not as nice as that is more of a race car than this guy.
But that doesn't have brakes. That doesn't have...
It has upgraded rear brakes.
That doesn't have NTO5s.
No? What does that have? Oh, that has Neogens on it. Yeah, that's right.
You're fucking wild, dude. You're a felon. I feel like we gotta drive it. Really gonna make my subscribers wait to fucking test drive the new brakes? Come on. I will not allow it. I'm fighting for you guys. Matt's trying to fucking take away good content, and I'm not gonna allow it. Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah, that's
How's that pedal effort feel?
I mean, it's pretty good. Like,
pretty minimal, honestly.
Yeah.
Compared to what it was.
For a good amount of braking.
If I wanted to fucking kiss the windshield, I could.
Yeah. Oh, this thing is so fucking cool. Oh my god. Those brakes work, dude.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I mean, I didn't really even like...
They put in fucking work.
Yeah.
Ah, wow, dude. Yeah, that's sick. That is dope. You're telling me this isn't a race car? Come on, man.
And you know, they're not even seated in yet.
Yeah.
And they feel like that.
Yeah. That's honestly like impressive.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh wow.
I haven't felt non-F-150 boost for a while. See,
Oh my god, dude. That was scary. I'm not gonna lie to you. I thought you were just gonna go for it without looking, and then like you just stopped. That was wild.
because it didn't feel that. Here, we're gonna pull over and you're gonna drive.
I'm gonna hit this a little quick, and then just anchor them, if that's cool.
Yeah, do it. Oh, yeah, I mean, that's pretty fucking
That
good.
stops, dude.
That was like, that's not bad.
And that's not even like as hard of a pedal application as I could give it.
Yeah.
That was kind of just a gradual application.
It hit it on the way back, too.
Yeah.
Okay.
She locks front brakes.
Yep.
She locks front brakes. Nice.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, okay. I think it might be okay.
Yeah.
I mean, it's definitely going to stop the car.
Definitely. Yeah, I think it feels good, dude. I think it feels good. We locked those bitches up.
Dude, it's like you can barely see the rear brakes.
Yeah.
They're like, hi, I'm here.
I'm telling you, you gotta paint them. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and leave the video there. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments. These brakes are, honestly, dude, they look fucking good. I'm happy with them. I think they're top notch.
Yeah, I agree.
Those things are sweet. But yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe. Have a good day.